Say hello to PetCube Bites, the smart pet camera with Amazon Alexa voice control.
I like smart. Can it spy on my dog?
Of course.
Even that small?
Beyond a doubt. He's got big personality.
Can it see in the dark?
Oh yeah.
That's my kitty.
Cute.
Can he hear me?
Crystal clear.
Who's a good boy?
And what's that for?
You can load up treats inside.
And what treats can I use?
Your dog's favorites.
Oh,
Can it play fetch?
Swipe up to check. Only net.
Swish!
Ralphie, where's my shoe?
Let's go back and check your video history.
You are loving this, aren't you?
Kinda.
Sorry, bud, we're out.
Alexa, ask PetCube to reorder treats.
Future delivered.
Can this thing walk my dog?
Sort of. We have tons of perks with our subscription. Dog walkers included.
So, this is like a smartphone for pets?
Yes, but way, 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 way better.
Traditional cat litter boxes are not a good choice to avoid odors and litter tracking and are very inconvenient to use in daily busy life. Most automatic cat litter boxes are so expensive, so we created Igloo, an affordable modern cat litter box with fully automatic and fully enclosed design. Igloo initiates a 90-second cleaning cycle that funnels all wastes into a tightly sealed receptacle. All you have to do is to discard the waste bag once in a while. You'll never have to scoop again. You can choose from 3 different working modes. For most convenience, you can use the fully automatic self-cleaning mode within an hour after the cat left. For individual use, you can control Igloo through the app. And if you don't want to get disturbed, you can use the quiet night mode. The soft silicone footstep can reduce litter tracking and spillage. With Igloo, you can always keep your home fresh and clean. Safety for your cat is most important. If a cat enters the device during cleaning process, the device will immediately stop cleaning and only continue to work after the cat has left. Through the app, you can connect with Igloo wherever you are, keep records, and even could receive notifications after your cat has used the litter box. Igloo is easy to use and makes life more convenient for you and for your cat. So please, support us and back us today.
Cheerble Board Game, a new interactive toy and a perfect companion for your cat. This multifunctional board is a great place for your cat to play, exercise, nap, and, of course, chase the Cheerble ball. Pick the ideal one for your cats to release their energy and cheer them up. It is so lightweight and completely portable, so your cat can have limitless options to play and have fun in any corner of the house. A Cheerble ball makes Cheerble Board Games so unique. Rolling, hiding, and chasing by its smart gene, Cheerble Ball keeps your cat engaged all day long. With synthetic fiber material, outer shell, and light effects, this magic ball is made to please your cat's senses of touch and sight. This smart ball keeps your cat moving to stay fit in a happy way.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
Molly! Oh my Hey, stop! Hey, stop!
Revolutionize pet healthcare by making hemp-infused treats at home with Petkix, which helps free pets from pain and anxiety. Now you can take care of them anywhere, anytime, help them to sleep better, and most importantly, be happier.
As one of the most meaningful elements, the intimacy between pets and human beings makes our life much better. how can we provide effective product support for the intimate relationship between people and their pets? To meet the requirements of both you, your kitty, and yourself, our cat litter box, Poop Cube, is the best choice. The enclosed design of our cat litter box can make sure the effective use of the space and odors isolation for customers. The lift-off pedal will bring more convenience to the owner and help to collect the falling litter at the same time. The smooth and sharp shovel guarantees that the sticky clump at the bottom will be cleaned up immediately. The cleaning kit that comes with the cat litter box will help you clean up the scattered cat litter quickly. Furthermore, the sliding snaps on both sides make sure that the bottom basin could be removed easily when cleaning. A variety of opening methods for Poop Cube will bring both the owner and the cat a wonderful life.
We used to work at an architecture firm, and we both cat owners. So from architect's view, we see much space for improvement in pet products. So that's why we quit and start this project.
We have spent almost a year perfecting the details of Poop Cube, and now we need your help. Please help this cat litter box come to reality and enjoy intimate time with your pet at home together with Poop Cube.
Sometimes getting it so hard.